watch you smoke. Oh, what countries you've been to. If you speak any other languages other than your own, I'd like to meet you. I don't know if you drive, if you love the ground beneath you. I don't know if you write letters or you panic on the phone. I'd like to call you all the same. If you want to, I am game. I don't know if you can swim, if the sea is any draw for you. If you're better in the morning or when the sun goes down, I'd like to call you. I don't know if you can dance, if the thought ever occurred to you. If you eat what you've been given or you push it around your plate, I'd like to cook for you.